to all you fire alarm fans on YouTube. Here's my Federal Signal autocall fire alarm panel. I'm not really sure what the model number is. This is a panel from a local Kmart that got torn down. I know somebody who hooked me up with it, owns an excavating company. Also got a bell over there. The bell is a Federal Signal autocall. It runs on between 20 and 24 volts DC. It's a 6 gong, which I'm not really sure is cycle 9. It's pretty cool. Over here is the panel. It's in a pretty cool box. It's pretty solid. Well, that's metal. And that's where you would hook up the alarms in that area. Over here, I'm not really sure what that is. This is the DC transformer. After every one of the inputs, it puts out 24 volts DC. This box that you're looking at right now is empty, surprisingly. I'm not sure why. Go back to my workbench. Over here is a part I took off of there because it didn't really look like it's doing anything that important. If it is, I'll put it back on. Here's the autocall. Right here, the phone wires would be hooked up. So we'll call the fire department. We'll send a message, then they'd come. Here's my Faraday 5740, which is basically a simplex 4251. It's just a 40. It's a 4051. Simplex 4051. Sorry. That's what they had in their system. If it was a 4050, I would have got it, but it was just another 4051. I'll make a video of this one and the bell over there. The panel does work. I tested it. The side of the lights turned on. The side over here didn't, because I didn't have enough power to turn it on. Here are the switches. You zoom in, we'll be able to see them better. This one right here goes up and stays up or down. This is a test button to give it a quick ring. No, that's reset. This is test. And alarm silence for when the alarm is pulled. That is it. Make another video later.